This video will show you the best way to convert a Microsoft Word document into a PowerPoint presentation on your PC. Formatting the document before converting. Separate the Word document into sections with titles. You'll need to break the document into separate sections that will become individual slides. Press Enter after each section so there's at least one empty line between the end of a section and the title of the next slide. Navigate to the Styles menu. Highlight the title of your first slide. Click the Heading 1 style. The text will become large, bolded, and colored blue. PowerPoint will know to use everything with the Header 1 style as a new slide. Go through the rest of your document and do the same with other slide titles. Highlight the rest of the content on your first page. Select Heading 2 on the Styles panel. All of this content will appear on the same slide as the title. In the Content area, press the Enter key to add space between every block of text you want separated on the slide. Every individual line or paragraph will be a different bullet on your final slide. Add sub-bullets using Heading 3. Customize your text if you'd like. Save the document. Click the File menu, select Save As, click Browse and choose a folder to save the file to, and then click Save. Close Word when you're finished. Converting to PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint. Click Blank Presentation. Click the downward pointing arrow next to New Slide in the toolbar. A menu will expand. Select Slides from Outline. Now you'll see your file browser. Select the Word document you saved and click Insert. PowerPoint will create slides based on your Word document. Every title you set to Header 1 appears on its own slide, along with its corresponding content, which you set to Header 2. You can now design the slides however you'd like, using all of your favorite PowerPoint tools. Save the file as a PowerPoint presentation.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.